Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg are all self-made billionaires. You've probably asked yourself how you can become one. Perhaps you've already read tons of articles about the ways on how a person can become not just a millionaire, but a billionaire. The biggest difference between a self-made billionaire and a mere millionaire is more complex than net worth. It's the billionaire's rare mindset driven by an extraordinary love for work and superior work ethic versus the millionaire's lone uber goal of achieving a life of personal luxury. So what are the traits common to self-made billionaires? And how can we apply this in our daily lives? Well, we got you covered. Today we've compiled a list of billionaire secrets that are essential in your journey of growing and success. We offer you applicable, simpler, timely, and real ideas. If you want to be a billionaire and be on the cover of Forbes Magazine, stick with us until the end of this video and let us guide you to your will. First, one needs to learn the power of purpose. A person who has purpose in life has something to keep them going. Your purpose gravitates and pulls you into the future. Some people are always held back by the past and some are pulled aside by distractions. However, if you have a higher purpose in life, you are pulled forward. The more powerful the purpose is, the stronger it pulls you. This can get you out of the difficult challenges in life. It's easy to get consumed by a bad day, an unproductive month can discourage you, and it can be hard to build yourself back up when you've been down for so long. This is why you need something that gets your mind working on how to achieve that purpose. When your mind, heart, and spirit works along with good inputs and ideas, there isn't anything that you can't become. Next, self-confidence. Self-confidence comes from not neglecting small daily discipline. It comes from feeling good about yourself, and one way to achieve that is to validate and be proud of your accomplishments. At the end of the day, know that you did your best. When you start doing this, self-confidence develops. When you've had a great day, be determined that you'll have another one just like it. Don't neglect to do the small daily discipline every day. Another contributing factor to self-confidence is good health. Good health affects your future. It remains true that it's one of the greatest contributors to self-confidence. Self-confidence also comes from the ability to rise above certain circumstances. Some people might just give up when it gets too hard, but you should not. You must be persistent in believing in yourself. That kind of willingness will get you places. Third on the list is enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is not just being loud. It runs deep inside, which is created by self-confidence that is created by purpose. It is shaped by genuine willingness to help other people. Enthusiasm is knowing that you're going to get the job done with the thought that what you do affects other people around you. What you genuinely feel inside is what motivates you to become the powerful variable in changing the course of your own life. Next up is expertise. It is wanting to excel in all of the skills there are and settling for nothing less than an outstanding performance. If you aim to be the best individual in your field, you should demand excellence in yourself and become the best that you can possibly be. Get the best training, join a workshop, develop a good personality, learn a new language, influence people, learn how to organize, and so on. If you aim to be an expert, a promising future awaits you. Another powerful contribution in this list is preparation. Being well prepared is ideal for every individual in this world. A big chunk of our lives is spent on preparations. When we went to first grade in school, we were being prepared for the second grade after, and it goes on for an excruciatingly long time until we realize that we've finished grade school. It takes time to be ready. The decisions you make in preparing yourself are the decisions that last for a lifetime. The preparation involved in a meeting means that you're serious about the said meeting. Your preparation in attending a workshop means you're serious about it and you want to make the best contribution. All of those preparations are equally important. However, there is one kind that provides much vitality, and that is preparing yourself for success. Life doesn't wish to waste success on the unprepared. Why waste a fortune on a person when they are not prepared to use it wisely? So don't just look for fortune, but prepare yourself and assess yourself on what you can do to be ready. Remember that life does not give us what we want and need. It gives us what we deserve. Values in life must be paid for, and those who paid for it are the ones who receive it. Opportunities come and pass by a person who is not prepared. That is why we have to stay alert. The next on the list is self-reliance. Self-reliance means simply looking mostly to yourself. Sure, it would be nice if someone just offered you this. It would be ideal if everyone did their job well, but in most cases, it just doesn't always work out that way. However, this is what you must do. Primarily rely on yourself and put yourself responsible. Learn the necessary skills so you can help other people know what they're capable of. If you need people to perform tasks in building your organization, be the final backstop. Become the final person that people can rely on. You must be able to fill the gap and you have to be present to fill in self-reliance. Simply put, you're learning to count on yourself. Here is the next key power, and that is image. Image can mean a lot of things. It has a lot of parts too. There's the image that you see in others and the image you have with other people. The image you have with other people is very important since it plays an essential role in the respect that they will give you. Billionaires are leaders, business leaders, industry leaders, political leaders, and even spiritual leaders. They have armies, employees, and a bunch of people following them. If you want to become a billionaire, you need to have the power to influence people. If you present an unpleasant persona, they won't see you as a leader. Trust needs to be earned, and this is something that you have to build. If people see you in the image of someone who is in charge, you have control over your life, your future, and your destiny. That kind of image is powerful. It wins the day and attracts people. People want to be around those who are capable of taking charge. Indeed, this kind of image is powerful. However, there is one that overpowers this, and that is your image of yourself. The way you talk, dress, act, the way you think, your capacity for learning, all of those are essential parts of how you see your own image. While it's important to have a pleasing image, the ultimate importance lies in the kind of image where you'll develop your self-reliance, and that is how you see yourself. Another to add to the list is character. You must strive to become a person of high value. Build yourself to be a person of principle, honesty, and respect. This is essential to develop. When you attain these in yourself, other people will see that through you. You must be fair and willing to do the right thing, be helpful, but also work the center line or knock past it. Here's another one, and it's called self-discipline. Everyone struggles with that. Sometimes it comes easy, especially when you work hard to be the best that you can. It's easy to let up and let go. Anyone can say they will do the best job that they can, but mistakes are inevitable. However, when you condition yourself to fix those mistakes, your self-discipline functions. That kind of self-discipline understands how important your part is in all of the functions that work in your life. In an organization, there are so many people that play a part, and each one of those parts play a necessary role. All of them work hand in hand. Each person involved in a certain type of task is developing their self-discipline. Last on the list is the power of extraordinary performance and demanding yourself excellent results. If you want to live extraordinarily, if you want to have extraordinary income, you must do extraordinary things. If you crave extraordinary fortune, you cater to the demands of what it takes to achieve that. If we ask ourselves to perform like this, we have to also inspire ourselves along the way until we grasp our goals. Well, some billionaires certainly had economic and educational advantages, but even without those, their smart decisions and business choices, plus a few key characteristics, led them to their billions. Well, that is all for today, and we hope you've taken out something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any billionaire secrets too. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.